The government says stay home and stay safe. With the streets quiet and bare and KFC closed with no one to stare. As lockdown continues, you don't have to snooze because your girl Ye just got you covered and fired up, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining in, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. Today I will be telling you and showing you and teaching you how you can enjoy some KFC chicken wings in your own home. So if you would like to learn this amazing recipe, you know what to do. Just stay tuned and it's coming right up. Hey guys, so the ingredients we need to make this dish are some chicken wings, cooking oil, cornflour, plain flour, eggs, chicken seasoning, paprika, black pepper, garlic and salt. Let's make some chicken, guys. And it is done, guys. Absolutely amazing. Outside is nice and crispy and the inside is just nice and juicy. I hope you have enjoyed this lovely recipe, and if you have, don't forget to give it a good thumbs up for me and comment below and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, I'll see you in my next video, so stay tuned and stay sweet.